we'll guide you through how to download and install the Microsoft Store in Windows 11. So what you need to do is go and click on Search at the bottom of your computer and go and type in Windows PowerShell or PowerShell. Right-click on it and click Run as Administrator and go and run it, like so. Now head into the description of this video. There's going to be a line you need to go and copy. I have it here. Click, hold, and drag to select it, and you can right-click it and press Copy. Then what you need to do is go and right-click where the underline here is, and then you can go and press Enter. And then it's going to go and get Microsoft Store on your computer. If I now click Search at the bottom and I go and type it in, you can see it now appears. I can go and click on it and I can now go and use it.